Okay, so this video is going to be a little bit different. I finally am able to talk. I don't know if it's going to work this time. If it's not, I'm going to delete the video. Well, you guys wouldn't be able to see that, but I deleted a ton of my older videos. They're still going to be up on YouTube. But it's taken up all of my space, so I couldn't have any sound on it. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about, well, guys, just ignore the stuff on my face. But, I'm going to be showing you guys some stuff that, wait, what? I don't know what's going on. Okay, so, I just had to look at my tablet for a second, so, and I kept pausing it and doing some weird, hold on, guys, okay. So, sorry about the lighting, it's terrible. I'm going down to the basement. Resume once I get back down there. Okay, so I'm back in my basement. And, tell me, in the comments, if you're watching this, tell me if you want me to upload a slime video, because my sister has so much stuff for it. So now right here, I gotta go inside of a storage room. It's kind of cluttered, so, you know what, I'm just gonna pause and show it to you guys. Never mind, I don't like going in there when it's all dark. It's just creepy. So, right now I'm going to try something. I haven't shown you guys this yet, but, well, that's my, well, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but, okay. So, we have got a magnetic dartboard. You're gonna see how terrible I am at darts. So, I'm gonna go from an angle. Hi guys, once again. How about I fix that? Oh, I can't angle it. Bullseye. I definitely did that. I didn't cheat at all. I didn't cheat. I didn't cheat. Stop saying that I cheated. That's weird. That is so weird. But, so, I'm gonna be honest, sometimes, I don't think I had ever really shown you guys around my basement before. And that's not what I'm gonna do, seriously, I don't think I ever have. Should I do that? Should I show you around my house? I don't know. You know what? No. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but what I wanted to say was, do you guys want me to start uploading slime videos with my sister, or, you know, that Life of a Pillow thing that has over 100 views? I want you to tell me if you want me to, in the comments, to tell me if you want me to do anything like that again. Like, let's say the life of a granola bar. No, it'd be trash. It'd probably be trash. But, I don't even know what to do anymore, but that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Do you want me to, upload some slime videos with my sister? So, leave a like, subscribe, and eat waffles. Bye.